Welcome, everyone. Glad you can make it. I'm here to talk to you about a little thing that's been happening all over the internet. Well, see, everybody wants to be somebody else. And with that, sometimes you just have to change your voice. Well, I'm using ClownFish. ClownFish is a free voice changer. And before you ask, no, I do not work or I am not affiliated with ClownFish. I just think it's a great product and I'm using it right now. Well, the thing I wanted to talk about is why doesn't my ClownFish run? Well, one reason, and you can fix it right now. So what you do is you come down here to Start menu, pop it open, type in PRO, get your virus and threat protection settings, pop it open. Once it's open, swirl around it with your mouse 3 times no, you don't have to do that. You just have to press Manage Settings. Press Manage Settings and swirl your mouse around real-time protection. Again, you don't have to do that. Just turn it off. When you turn it off, it looks just like this. And when it's on, it kind of looks like this blue thing here. So just turn it off. That's it. Close it out. Find your icon. Press it 1 time, and voila, it opens. Now, I'm going to go ahead and push the setup button. We're going to go over a couple settings. As you can tell, I'm using helium right now. Helium is the most hilarious of the whole group. Real easy. You just press it, and it works. I want to go to a male pitch. I'll come over here.
And suddenly I sound like some guy randomly talking with a nice, deep voice. Woo, so cool. I can clone, mutate, slow mutate, alien, even a custom. Now this is really neat because you don't want to sound too much not like yourself, but then sometimes you don't want to sound like yourself. So, when I sound like me, which is what you're hearing now, I can go higher
and higher and higher. But, no, that's not my real voice.
And so well, this isn't it either, but this is an example of where you can go with it. So, to find my real voice, which is somewhere around 110, this is my real voice. I'm going to move it to a setting around 180. I'm comfortable with that. And then when I'm playing around, I'll go ahead and
press this button. And that's what I like. I like that. This, because this has an echo. And this one has a different type. Like a reverb. Okay, I did it on my own. And here, weird, yeah, there it is. And ghost maybe? A cat with a hood? I don't know. So this is what it sounds like. Welcome! I can see you! Very cool. And so, let's get back to business, shall we? Or not. So, I like this voice. You want to hear yourself? Press this, your microphone. Then you can hear yourself through your microphones. If not, turn it off and you can just pretty much guess what you sound like or listen to yourself through the speakers, whatever you prefer. There's a lot of settings here. And I can tell you now, your voice changer is fixed, but it may revert back to real-time virus protection. No big deal. Just turn it off. Wonderful, great, like. Y'all take care, stay blessed. We'll talk to you later. Like. Y'all like that subliminal like video? Sub up. Peace.